Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make zoom lens and shake video effect in CapCut. For example, I select this video to the right and then I'm going to add zoom lens and shake video effect. Just click effect and you can looking for the zoom lens and shake video effect. You can find in basic effect. So zoom lens effect. Here's just right here. I'm sorry. Shake effect. Shake effect first, just for duration, and you can add again zoom lens just for position and duration as you like. So here we go. Okay, just simple. That's how to make zoom lens and shake video effect. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for our page and share. Thanks. Bye bye.